JNN class. Today I start special subject chapter 1 Armed Force. As a cadet of NCC, it is very important to understand the basic organization of our armed forces. So, Indian forces are divided into three parts: Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. Indian Army. The Indian Army is the land based branch and the largest component of the Indian Armed Force. The world third largest army, the fourth powerful army in the world. The Indian Army has a reported strength of 1.4 million active personnel and 2.1 million reserve personnel. बेसिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ आर्म फोर्स. जो इंडियन आर्मीज़ जो सुप्रीम कमांडर होते हैं वो हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया होते हैं. इन प्रेजेंट टाइम श्री रामनाथ कोविंद इज़ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड इज द तीनों सेनाओं के सुप्रीम कमांडर हमारे प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं. चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ इन प्रेजेंट टाइम जनरल मनोज मुकुंद नारवणे. और ये 4 स्टार जनरल होते हैं, मतलब 4 स्टार जनरल. एंड द चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ इज द हेड ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी एंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल आर्मी एक्टिविटीज. ऑफिसर हु असिस्ट हिम है कौन? वाइस चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ, या 2 डिप्टी चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ, principal staff officer, head of arms and services, and field army commands. Next is command headquarter. Command headquarter is commanded by another officer of the rank of lieutenant general, who is called army commander or GOC. The whole country is divided into 7 commands who have subordinate formation under them. Commands name: Headquarter New Delhi, Central Command Lucknow, Eastern Command Kolkata, Northern Command Udhampur, and Southern Command Pune. Western Command Chandi Mandir, and Army Training Command Shimla. Last is South Western Command is Jaipur. Organization and administration of Navy. Our country is covered almost from 3 sides with water, and with a coastline of approximately over 6,000 kilometers, and the sea around India has impact on Indians' freedom, trade, commerce, and culture. The Indian Navy, Bharatiya Nav Sena. The Chief of Naval Staff Command, Admiral Karambir Singh. And the Chief of Naval, the headquarters of the Ministry of Defence is located in New Delhi. The Navy is divided into 3 commands: Western Naval Command, Mumbai; Eastern Naval Command, Visakhapatnam; and Southern Naval Command, Kochi. Next is Air Force. Indian Air Force is the youngest of the 3 services. It is the air arm of the Indian Armed Force. It is the world's 4th largest air force in terms of both personnel and aircraft. Its primary responsibility is to secure Indian airspace and to conduct aerial. So, Chief of the Air Staff is Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria, and in the branch and active staff: Air Headquarters, Air Staff Branch, Administrative Branch, and Maintenance Branch. Commands. The Air Force is organized into 7 commands which are controlled by air headquarters. The commands are divided into two parts: operational command and functional command. Operational command: Central Air Command, the headquarters Prayagraj, UP. Eastern Air Command, Trivandrum, Kerala. Southern Air Command, Shillong, Meghalaya. South Western Air Command, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Western Air Command, New Delhi. And last one is Functional Command, the Training Command, Bangalore, Karnataka. And Maintenance Command, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Now class, thank you and Jai Narayan.